It was a bright and pleasant afternoon in America. The air was fresh and sun shone softly over the river. Near the river bank, a group of young boys gathered, their faces full of excitement. They had brought their air rifles and were trying to shoot eggshells floating on the water. Their laughter echoed as they took turns aiming at the shells. But no matter how hard they tried, they kept missing the targets. Some of the boys became frustrated. This is too hard. One of them complained, I can't hit even one. Another boy tried to console him. Keep trying, he said. Maybe one of us will get lucky. Just then, a man in orange robes walked by. He was tall with a calm and kind face. His eyes held great wisdom and peace. The man was none other than Swami Vivekananda. He had been traveling in America, spreading the message of spirituality and inner strength. When he saw the boys struggling, he stopped and watched them for a while with a gentle smile. The boys noticed him and turned towards him curiously. One of them, feeling a bit embarrassed, said, we are trying to shoot these eggshells, but we keep missing. It's really difficult. Swami Vivekananda chuckled and stepped forward. May I try? He asked kindly. The boys were surprised. They had never seen a monk with a rifle before, but they were excited to see what he could do. Of course, sir, one of them said, handing him the rifle. Swami Vivekananda took the rifle and held it with steady hands. He stood still for a moment, his eyes focused on the floating eggshells. The boys watched it in silence as his entire body became motionless, as if he had become one with the target. It was as though the world around him had disappeared, and all that existed was the rifle and the eggshell. Then, bang! The first shot rang out, and the boys grasped. The eggshell scattered instantly. Wow, that was amazing! One of the boys shouted. But Swami Vivekananda was not done yet. He fired again. Bang! Another eggshell broke. He fired again and again, and every single time he hit his target without fail. The boys stood in awe. He was this possible. They had been trying for so long without success, and yet this man had hit the target perfectly every time. When Swami Vivekananda finally put down the rifle, one of the boys ran up to him and asked, "Sir, how did you do that? We tried so many times, but we kept missing. What was your secret?" Swami Vivekananda smiled. "My dear children," he said gently, "the secret is concentration. When I held the rifle, I thought of nothing else. I did not allow my mind to wander. I focused all my attention on the target, and that is why I did not miss." The boys listened carefully, trying to understand. Swami Vivekananda continued, "In life, whatever you do, give it your complete attention. If you study, focus only on your books. If you play, focus only on your game. If you work, focus only on your task. When your mind is completely absorbed in what you are doing, success will come naturally." The boys nodded, realizing that they had been too distracted while trying to shoot. Some of them had been thinking about their previous failed shots. Others had been looking at their friends, worrying about what they might say. None of them had truly concentrated on their targets. Swami Vivekananda saw the realization dawn on their faces. He placed a gentle hand on one boy's shoulder and said, "Concentration is like a muscle. The more you practice it, the stronger it becomes. If you train your mind to focus, you will achieve greatness in whatever you do." The boys were deeply inspired. One of them said, "We will practice, Swamiji. We will learn to focus better." Swami Vivekananda smiled warmly. "That is the spirit. Never give up. Always train your mind to concentrate, and success will follow." With that, he blessed the children and walked away, leaving them with a lesson they would remember for life. Moral of the story: this story teaches us that the power of concentration. In today's world, where distractions are everywhere, it is easy to lose focus. However, just like Swami Vivekananda showed the boys, if we train our minds to concentrate, we can achieve great success in any field, whether it is studies, sports, work, or personal goals. Complete focus and dedication will always lead to excellence. Success is not about luck, it is about the ability to concentrate fully on your goals. Let us all practice the art of concentration and move towards success with unwavering focus. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.